Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. They already left. Option C is the correct answer. Question 2. I to finish my work on time. Option A is the correct answer. Question 3. She never been to Paris. Option B is the correct answer. Question 4. The dog all night. Option D is the correct answer. Question 5. We ready for the presentation? Option C is the correct answer. Question 6. He very excited about the trip. Option A is the correct answer. Question 7. At my lunch early. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. They to the zoo last weekend. Option D is the correct answer. Question 9. The students writing the test. Option A is the correct answer. Question 10. Your bag in the car. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. The teacher the mistake. Option C is the correct answer. Question 12. I all the work myself. Option D is the correct answer. Question 13. We are project before time. Option B is the correct answer. Question 14. She very shy in class. Option A is the correct answer. Question 15. The bell has just rung. Option C is the correct answer.